Hello traders. In this video, we're going to cover the AI trade from Friday, March 31st, what we saw, how we traded it, and what got us to take a long as the stock started breaking out.
There you go.
First off, we had buy signals on TradingView and also on Thinkorswim with a buy signal at 9:35 a.m. Relative volume was 4 times normal on an intraday basis, and on a daily basis it was 3 times normal. In addition, we had green signals on the 5, 15, and 30-minute charts. Price was above VWAP and rising. Right after the opening bell and that 9:35 buy signal, we saw AI trades going off at the 25.50 strike. 2,000 of those contracts traded very quickly. In a sweeper, which is trying to disguise the fact that they're buying a position by splitting up the trade into 4 parts, as relative volume continued to ramp higher throughout the trading session. As part of our workflow, we're always looking for this ABCD pattern during the trading day, where the A pivot is usually traded out at around 12 o'clock, the high, and then we look for B and C pivots for re-entries or new entries if we miss the morning run. In the case with AI, the stock drove higher and broke above what's called the opening range, the period between 9:30 and 10 o'clock. And generally, if we have a stock that's breaking higher out of the opening range, we look for a long. If the stock is breaking lower after the 10 o'clock opening range, we look for shorts and for VWAP to be dropping and moving lower. In this case, the opening range breakout was to the upside, VWAP was rising. We had high relative volume. In that 10 o'clock period, we saw those options at the 25.50 strike telling us that the stock was most likely going to be in play. In addition, we had the FANG stocks. The New York FANG index was breaking higher for a third day on high relative volume. And MACD was above its signal line and rising. We had stochastics rising as well. So that told us that tech was in play on top of the buy signals that we got on AI early in the morning. So to summarize, we look for stocks that have high relative volume in the morning, price above a rising VWAP for bullish trades, and price below a descending VWAP for bearish trades. We look for prices to be moving away from VWAP. That tells us that the stock is in play. And as a bonus, when we get the markets moving in the right direction, and in this case, tech stocks, the more stocks in the group that are working together, the higher probability that our trades will continue as planned. Finally, towards the end of the day, we're always taking profits off the table, locking in some gains, and maybe taking some swing longs, leaving some on, thinking that AI might continue to move higher, as those options implied on Friday. Again, I hope this helps. I'm Cousin Vinny coming to you from theclosingprint.com, where we trade stocks like this every day. If you're interested in joining us, click the sign up button and join us during the trading day from 9:30 until 4 o'clock in the evening. Take care, have a great evening, and we'll talk to you soon.